Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Vita case is probably one of the most crucial accessories for any PS Vita owner. It's designed to protect your device from scratches, bumps, and other potential damage. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Vita cases, exploring various options to help you find the perfect one to keep your console safe and sound, no matter where your gaming adventures take you. Number 5. OSTENT PS Vita PSV Protective Carry Cover. This carry cover is made of high-quality materials. It offers a perfect handcraft and feels great to the touch. The design ensures it's comfortable to carry around. You can take it with you anywhere. The exterior is durable and crush-resistant. This case will protect your device from damage. It's made from fiber and sponge. This combination provides excellent protection. The size is 21 cm x 11 cm, which is 8.27 by 4.33 inches. It's the perfect size for your device. What we like. This case is made of high-quality material, ensuring a soft touch and comfortable feel. It's also durable, protecting your Vita from everyday bumps and scratches. If you prioritize a simple, protective, and comfortable case, this is a great choice. What people say. It works great even with a case on your Vita. Great carrying case. Easy to slip in and out. Also works with a case on the Vita. My Vita fits good and it doesn't mess with the analog sticks. Number 4. Smatree P100 Carrying Case for PS Vita, PSP 3000. This case is perfectly shaped for your PS Vita, PS Vita Slim, and PSP 3000 consoles. The design ensures a snug fit, and a convenient belt makes it easy to remove your device. Made with a waterproof hard shell, this case offers excellent protection for your console. The soft microfiber interior prevents scratches, and the black and red design gives it a premium look. It features a zippered mesh pocket, ideal for storing your charger and other small accessories. This keeps everything organized and in good condition, so you're always ready to play. The case includes 10 slots specifically designed for game cartridges or memory cards. This allows you to carry your favorite games with you wherever you go. With dimensions of 7.8 by 4.4 by 2.4 inches, the case is compact and easy to carry. It also comes with a wrist strap, providing added convenience for travel. What we like. This case features a waterproof hard shell, keeping your Vita safe from water damage. It also includes multiple slots for games and a zippered pocket for accessories. If you are looking for a case that offers both protection and organization, this one is perfect for you. What people say. The shell is stiff and holds its shape well. The zipper slides smooth but is not loose enough to slide on its own. In the bottom portion of the case, the PS Vita, first generation, first perfectly. It is not tight to where the PS Vita is rubbing on the inside, and not loose to where it slides around. There is also a strap that sits behind the PS Vita and it can be used to lift the PS Vita out of the case. Number 3. AFUNTA Protective Case for PS Vita 2000. This protective case is specifically designed for your PS Vita 2000. It offers excellent protection for the console and its accessories. The case is made of EVA materials and soft fabric lining. The package includes screen protectors for both the front and back of your device. The front screen protector is made of tempered glass with 9H hardness, which provides daily protection against scratches. The protectors are designed to fit your PS Vita 2000 perfectly. The case is suitable for PS Vita and PS Vita Slim consoles without soft covers. The case is made of durable EVA materials and features a soft fabric lining. Inside, a padded divider provides extra protection and storage for games and accessories. The screen protector maintains the touch sensitivity of your device. You can still operate it flexibly and freely without any reduction in performance. The belt within the bottom of the case helps you to take out your console easier. This case is a great way to keep your PS Vita safe and secure. What we like. This case comes with screen protectors, safeguarding your Vita's display. The EVA material provides excellent protection for your console and accessories. If you want comprehensive protection, including screen and back, this case is a must-have. What people say. Fit great, good protection. The back screen protector didn't fit great, but I didn't really need that. It has elastic bands that keep the Vita in place so that you don't accidentally drop it if you leave it unzipped, so that is a nice plus. It also has a double-sided cover with 3 slots for your memory card. Games would be nice if it had more slots. Number 2. Smatree P100L carrying case for PS Vita and PSP. This Smatree P100L case is designed to protect your console. It is perfect for PS Vita 1000, PSV 2000, PS Vita PCH 2000, and PSP 3000. The waterproof hard shell provides perfect protection. The soft microfiber interior will keep your device away from scratching. The belt within the bottom of case helps you to take out your console easier. If your console has a crystal protective shell, choose the P100L case. It's larger than the P100, offering more space. This ensures a perfect fit for your device. It features a zippered mesh pocket for chargers and small accessories. It also has 12 slots for game cartridges or memory cards, keeping everything organized. With dimensions of 8 by 4.7 by 2.7 inches, this case is easy to carry. It also includes a wrist strap for added convenience, making it ideal for travel. What we like. This case is designed to fit your Vita even with a protective shell, offering extra space. It also has multiple game slots and is easy to carry. If you have a protective shell on your Vita, this case is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Solid case, very functional, feel good, it's perfect. It appears to be well made with plenty of storage. It protects the Vita well from drops and debris. With the pull strap it's easy to remove, but be sure to set it right because it can be difficult without the strap. The zipper compartment at the top of the case is a fantastic place to store a charger for the Vita. Number 1. Skywin PS Vita Kit, Case, Cable, Adapter. Tired of limited storage? This kit includes an SD2 Vita adapter, allowing you to use a micro SD card in your PS Vita. It's a cost-effective way to expand your storage, and it's compatible with the PS Vita game slot. Keep your PS Vita and accessories safe with the included EVA carry case. This sturdy case offers secure storage and easy access, perfect for gaming on the go. It protects everything you need. The kit includes a USB cable for fast data transfer and reliable charging. This ensures that you can keep your PS Vita powered up and ready for action. It's convenient and easy to use. This kit is designed to work with PS Vita 1000, 2000, and PS TV systems. It's versatile and ready to use across different models. You can enjoy it no matter which model you have. Take your gaming anywhere with this lightweight and compact kit. It's easy to carry, making it perfect for travel. Enjoy your games wherever you are. What we like. This kit includes an SD2 Vita adapter, expanding your storage options. It also comes with a durable carry case and a USB charging cable. If you are looking for a complete package that enhances storage and offers all the essentials, consider this kit. What people say. The case fits the PS Vita nice and snug with the protective divider keeping the storage area well separate from the Vita. Enough room for the charge cable and a USB power box, a screen wipe, and a case for the SD2 Vita and more. There are soft slots for Vita game storage as well for those trips where you want to have more than one game on hand. The carry case is solid, with a soft interior lining that deters scratching. The charging cable doubles as a data transfer cable for PC or PS4 connectivity, and at 6.5 foot it offers plenty of range for those that forget to charge the battery and want to play while connected to a power brick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.